Hello traders, welcome back. I'm Dorin Roșu, aka Jimmie, and this is my analysis for the euro versus United States dollar, in which I'll discuss my point of view regarding the graphical analysis and the opportunities for the week ahead. So for the euro, the bias, in my view at least, is bearish, and the reasons for that are as follow. First of all, I can see that price wasn't able to take the chance to overcome this resistance, this 1.1821. What I'm trying to say is the fact that for a period of time, price was above this support level, this 1.1533, which got breached right here, but actually everything turned out to be just a false break. Okay, so a false, as you know, I consider that a false break equals a valid confirmation, and I can see that price got above the level again, confirm it as a support, and tried an appreciation. Now, the idea is that I consider that the bulls should have had sufficient optimism after this false break, sufficient optimism to breach this level, this 1.1821, and confirm it as a support and continue the upwards move. However, this didn't happen, obviously, and the downwards move began. So this is the first argument, okay? The bulls weren't able to profit, to make use of this false break, optimism, okay? Now, the second argument is the fact that price actually, for the second time, breached this support, this 1.1533. And it also got under this line, which is the line that marks the consolidation phase, okay, this consolidation phase, because you know that I said in my previous analysis that we have this downwards move, which marks the bearish bias. This is actually a trending phase, okay, and after this phase came the consolidation, and all this here, all this phase, all this box, if you will, can be considered a trading phase, a consolidation phase of this downwards move. So actually the idea is that the all this is just a consolidation phase of the downwards move, so the bearish bias actually continues to persist, to be valid. So in this context, I consider that the opportunities are for the sellers, okay? So I'm expecting price to confirm this area here as a resistance, and after any bearish pattern, I would sell. It can be sort of an engulfing, it can be a false break, okay, another peak here above these peaks, and a closure under the lows, at least the low of this last candle. It has to be here, okay, any bearish pattern is valid. Now, as for the profit targets, first of all, I consider the psychological level 1.14. This is the first target, and the second target is the psychological level 1.13. So these are till here the first target, and then here, and from here the second target, which corresponds to the previous low. We'll see, okay? Now this downwards move will have to wait if price manages to get above this peak here and confirm this 1.1574 as support. In this case, yes, I would buy with two main profit taking areas. The first one under this 1.1528, and the second under this 1.1821. And again, from there, I want to wait and see what happens. if price manages to break this 1.1821, then yes, maybe the bearish bias is over. And on the other hand, if it just confirms it again as a resistance and we see a downwards move, then that would be a message that the bearish bias actually continues. So yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, if you're seeing this on Facebook, hit the like button. And if you're seeing this on YouTube, subscribe. Till next time, trade well and take care.